Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. Foreign policy is serious business and rightly described as a country's first line of defense, full stop. Policy formulation and policy articulation both require careful thought and judgment, full stop. How policy is publicly articulated can make it more or less effective and impact on relations with other countries, full stop. In diplomacy, it is essential to know when not to publicly say something and when to speak, full stop. Words have consequences, intended or unintended, full stop. Words on foreign policy can affect for good or ill Pakistan's diplomatic relations, how the world sees us, and international opinion, full stop. As no line separates what is spoken for domestic consumption and what is heard abroad, it is important to carefully weigh words and be judicious in making foreign policy assertions, full stop. New paragraph. These considerations seem to have been ignored in foreign policy statements and interviews by the government's top leaders, causing unnecessary confusion and slip-ups which are unhelpful for the country, full stop. For a start, too many PTI ministers whose portfolios are unrelated to foreign affairs voice public views on international issues often at variance with what their colleagues are saying, full stop. New paragraph. Consider the recent FATF meeting, full stop. At least 3 ministers, in addition to the foreign minister, commented on its outcome, full stop. One minister even said Pakistan's retention on the grey list was due to its nuclear status. This is not the only issue on which differing voices have been heard, full stop. At a perilous moment in Afghanistan, whose fate involves serious implications for Pakistan, some ministers have been airing views which don't necessarily accord with official policy, full stop. New paragraph. Consistency in official pronouncements is essential so that clarity in policy is conveyed, which leaves no room for doubt about Pakistan's interests and goals and position on specific issues, full stop. But this aim is compromised when those holding other portfolios mount the airwaves with little knowledge and only to seek publicity, full stop. New paragraph. Even those responsible for articulating foreign policy should consider if speaking too often a presser or TV appearance every day is prudent or productive, full stop. Making daily statements minimizes their significance, full stop. It also heightens the risk of making mistakes and gaffes that result in avoidable embarrassment, full stop.